Hello, poets! Yesterday we planned a poem by using our five senses. Today I want to teach you about something else that poets do. You all know how to observe something closely, like a scientist does. Think about that rock from yesterday. I used my scientist's eyes to look at it. I said it was small and round and light brown. Today we are going to use our poet's eyes. Poet's eyes? That means we look at an object in a fresh, new way. A poet doesn't only think about the facts. When you look with your poet's eyes, you use your feelings and imagination. Let's play a game. First, you get a few everyday objects. I'm going to get a pink eraser, a Barbie doll, and a towel. Now, say what it is with your scientist's eyes, then say what it is with your poet's eyes, like this. For the eraser. This is a pink eraser. It's also a bed for a butterfly. For Barbie. This is a Barbie doll. It's also an artifact of the goddess Isis from ancient Egypt. For the towel. This is a towel. It's also a magic carpet. Now you try. Find 3 everyday objects. Use your scientist's eyes to say what it is, and then use your poet's eyes to say what it could be. Take out your notebook and write your ideas like this. This is a, and write what the thing is. It is also a, and write what you think it is. Like I would write, this is a towel. It is also a magic carpet. Then you write again for your second object and write again for your third object. Then ask your grown-up to snap a picture and send it to your teacher on Class Dojo. Talk to you tomorrow.